Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do your online psychical love reading for the month of September, for the rest of September. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with you, and also maybe vice versa. If it resonates with you, that's amazing, and if it not, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? And we are having here Knight of Pentacles, Two of Sword, Two of Pentacles, King of Wands. What are the how you feel about this person, Scorpio, and what you are feeling right now? What Scorpion's feelings and thinking toward this person? Five of Cups, Ace of Cups, Knight of Wands, Four of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? Nine of Sword, Nine of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Age is Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands, Nine of Wands, Knight of Wands. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Five of Cups, Ace of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Swords and Nine of Swords. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, Scorpio, and your person think like that you are slowing down this relationship's progress. And also this person is juggling with multiple things right now. The current situation and current feelings, they a lot of ideas and a lot of work in this person's hand, and they're trying to accomplish that, all of it, and that's how they're losing their balance here. But this person is also indecisive, imbalance and indecisive. They don't know how to deal with the situation. What should they do? What should they decide about this? And they are just losing their balance and totally indecisive here. But they do like you. They are enchanted by your personality and your charisma and your charm. They know that you got some social status. Whenever they look at you, they think like that you are amazing. Your social status, your charisma, your charm, you are overall a really, in a passionate energy when they think about you, Scorpio. But about this person is indecisive here. They are juggling with multiple things. They don't know how to accomplish all of it. They want to get all of it, but they need to drop few things in order to get one important thing, but they are not doing that, so totally losing their balance. And slow down right now. This person is totally, slow down towards you, and you slowing down, you trying to this person trying to understand how to, because they are totally in, imbalance and indecisive, but they are really attracted towards you. On the other hand, with this Five of Cups, you are regretting over past about this person. How you feel this person is a regret. They sometimes, you think like that you make a mistake about this person. You should never let this person in your life, because this person is on and off towards you. They sometimes, whenever all the time they want to get you, when you let them to get you, they become careless. So you are not trusting this person's passion at all. This person is not no consistency in this person, just on and off. And this person right now offering you overwhelming emotions and feelings, Scorpio. A lot of uh, overwhelming emotions for you, affection, but you are closed off. You are done with that. Every time this person do that, try to get you, try to reach you, when you let them to get you, then this person again become careless and do their own things. So right now, this person is in some kind of phase to getting you, achieving you, and that's why emotionally overwhelmed, and you are done with that. You are playing really close to your chest. You are playing your card really close to your chest. You're not opening up. You're not letting this person take anything from you. You're protecting yourself. So whatever they're offering you, it's just, you're not taking from them, because this person is autocorrect. And always who happened that whenever you give yourself to this person become careless and totally, the different one. Some kind of anxieties and depression in this person, because you are not receiving their emotions and feelings and love. That's why I think this person is in some kind of anxieties and depression. with this nine of swords, some kind of restlessness in this person. They're not sleeping well at night, and you already hurt in your past trauma, past hurt. How can you let this person to again hurt you? So you are protecting yourself. You really don't want to be vulnerable in front of this person. You are controlling this situation by not letting this person to in your life again, because they already hurt you. You really don't want to repeat any kind of history with this person, the painful one. Already you hurt a lot in your past. Now again, it's you can't afford that. Let's see what else we have for you, Scorpio. What else we have for Scorpio? And we are having here Magician, King of Cups, King of Pentacles. With this Magician card, this person wants to control you, stepping out of their comfort zone and try to control you and try to control all of it. You are not giving your love to this person. You are giving your love to yourself. You are stable emotionally, totally relaxed. You are totally, focused on your emotions and your feelings, and you are trying to maintain yourself. And this person want to control you. You are really stable on your ground. It's hard to. What's the result? It's hard. It's you are really strong on your ground and putting a lot of healthy boundaries around you. So it's hard to change your mindset. You know that who this person and what should you do. So it's you change you made your mind and it has to. It's hard to change that. And this person is really non-romantic, so they need to be just they really attract towards you, really like your fiery energy, but they are just non-romantic, and they don't know how to deal with you now, because that this person once get you, they will again repeat the same mistakes and hurt you. So you are really stable on your ground. Let's see what else we have for you and what should you do, Scorpio. What else we have for you and what should you do? Nine of Wands, Justice, Nine of Pentacles. This person already hurt in their past and they really don't want to get hurt again. Both of you hurt in their past and really don't want to repeat this harsh and painful history with each other again. Not a good memories sometime there. You are demanding justice and fairness from this person. As I ask, what should you do? You just need to be equal give and take between you two. Give each other justice and fairness. This is what you should do. Just for once, try to be equal with each other. This person also hurt. You are also hurt. Both of you hurt each other. Now it's time to do some fairness. And in upcoming days, freedom, self-sufficient, single-hood energies around you, Scorpio. You are in this freedom and full of abundance energy right now in upcoming days. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading, Scorpio. What do you desire right now? Visualize it and it will come about. Negativity will block your progress. Wow. All you need to do just to ask yourself what you actually want, and then again manifest on this, and don't be negative. Let's see what advice messages. Move on from your past. Share your feelings with your friends. Fight back. Enjoy life. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is this person indecisive and juggling with multiple things, really attract towards you, trying to control you, trying to manifest on you, but you know that this person again do that every time they offer you love and affection, but whenever you give yourself, they again hurt you. You are totally protected and not talking to this person. You totally detach your love from them, and what should you do? You just need to be fair, and a lot of singlehood energies around you. You are surrounded by this singlehood, independent, free energies in upcoming days, and this person is protecting themselves. You are protecting yourself. So just for once, be fair with each other. Give each other justice in this relationship. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.